Hey, Gary Baker here with you. I want to keep going in this foundational series of building a $100 a day system. Now here on the screen, you see the $100 a day system at its core. You have people on the internet and you have an audience that you're looking for and you want to bring them into your $100 a day system. In this case right now, I'm talking about YouTube videos and blog posts and then taking them over to your affiliate offers where you actually make the money, where you earn your affiliate commission. Now, what does this mean? This is a simple process. It's simple. It's step by step. I'm walking you through these foundational aspects. And in this series of videos, this is what I'm going to show you: how I started, exactly what I did, and exactly how you can get started with this same system for free. There is a link in the description and the pinned first comment that will take you over to a page that will explain this more. But the simple idea is I'm giving you the free training to build the foundations that I'm showing you here so you can achieve the exact same result that I am giving you in these videos. I'll be walking through this in greater detail. This video again is just first steps. And first steps for me in this case, after going through the free training, the link in the description, it takes you through the entire process of building this $100 a day system. The first steps for me was establishing a YouTube channel. Again, I talk about that here on this channel, the fact that I picked a niche and I built out a YouTube channel. And that YouTube channel is called Publisher Report. And as you can see here, I currently have 116 videos. And I understand that there are 365 days in a year. So with knowing that simple data point of 365 days in a year, and you were to take a look at Publisher Report currently with over 2,000 subscribers, and you were to scroll down, that out of those 116 videos that are on that channel, you can see here that those videos were published 1 year ago. That's 1 year ago from today, October 20th, 2021. So at this point, I think you will agree that 116 videos that you see here out of 365 days is really not that much work when you look over the full body of work. As you can see here also, in the last 30 days, I published 10 videos. That is on the high end of what you need to do, but think about that. 10 out of 30 days I actually worked to get Publisher Report to 2,000 subscribers, as well as of October 19, 2021. You can see the important notification here. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your channel as well as contact support. What does that mean? That means I get the full support of YouTube as well as I get a piece of that ad revenue. So now what does that mean? Part of my $100 a day system, of course, is focused on affiliate marketing. But the simple matter of the fact is YouTube is a great traffic source. It's being taught to you for free in the 12-step action plan. Link in the description and the pinned first comment to take you over to learn and understand exactly how to build this exact system that I'm building, this $100 a day system. As you can see here, now this system is going to start funding itself because I'm going to get paid by YouTube to create content that I create, that I would be creating anyway, that I'm now going to get paid for to build an audience in my niche. Then I can take that audience that I got paid to build and drive them to affiliate offers. Using this simple process that you see here, your audience is people on the internet. You build your $100 a day system with YouTube. Coming up for me is adding blogs and a blog post on my foundational website and then driving people over to affiliate links, and me getting my audience there earns me the $sign that you see here, which is affiliate commissions. That's how simple this $100 a day system is. These are just the first steps. And the first step for you right now is to click the link in the pinned first comment and the description to take you over to get access to this free training to start setting up your own $100 a day system. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Link in the description, click it, pop over, get the information to get access to this free training to get started building your own $100 a day system. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.